Understanding Give Me a Push, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, give me a push. This common English phrase can be a bit tricky for learners, so we're here to break it down for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. The phrase, give me a push, is quite straightforward in its literal sense. It means to physically push someone or something to help start or continue a movement. This can be used in various contexts, like pushing a car that's stuck or helping someone on a swing. It's a request for a small, helpful action. In English, many phrases are used figuratively, and give me a push is no exception. Figuratively, it means to encourage or motivate someone to start something or to continue doing something. For example, if someone is hesitant to try something new, like learning a musical instrument, they might need a push to get started. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in different situations. 1. Literal context. I'm trying to learn how to skateboard. Can you give me a push? 2. Figurative context. I was nervous about applying for the job, but my friends gave me a push to go for it. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase correctly. When learning idiomatic expressions, it's easy to get confused. Remember, give me a push is not used for situations where physical pushing is inappropriate or dangerous. It's also not used for electronic or digital actions, like pushing a button. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, give me a push, and how to use it in both literal and figurative senses. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to give yourself a push to learn more English phrases. See you in the next video.